Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. I work as a systems and mechanical engineer and as a theoretical physicist. Today, as with most of my screencasts, I'll be discussing the reciprocal system of theory as opposed to conventional theory. Today's topic, just one topic today, is this is about giant galaxies that have been found in the so-called early universe. So as usual, what we like to do is go to Science Daily for the latest research news. And here's the summary. ESO's Vista Survey Telescope has spied a horde of previously hidden massive galaxies that existed when the universe was in its infancy. And parenthetically, I'll say, supposedly, allegedly. By discovering and studying more of these galaxies than ever before, astronomers have, for the first time, found out exactly when such monster galaxies first appeared. All right, so let's scroll down here. It says, just counting the number of galaxies in a patch of sky provides a way to test astronomers' theories of galaxy formation and evolution. However, such a simple task becomes increasingly hard as astronomers attempt to count the more distant and fainter galaxies. It is further complicated by the fact that the brightest and easiest galaxies to observe, the most massive galaxies in the universe, are rarer the further astronomers peer into the universe's past, while the more numerous, less bright galaxies are even more difficult to find. And let's see, here's the team of astronomers led by Karina Caputi of the Kapteyn Astronomical Institute at the University of Groningen. And the astronomer says, we uncovered 574 new massive galaxies, the largest sample of such hidden galaxies in the early universe ever assembled, explains Karina Caputi. Well, let's scroll down here. It says, in addition, the astronomers found that massive galaxies were more plentiful than had been thought. Galaxies that were previously hidden make up half of the total number of massive galaxies present when the universe was between 1.1 and 1.5 billion years old. These new results, however, contradict current models of how galaxies evolved in the early universe, which do not predict any monster galaxies at these early times. Well, it actually contradicts the Big Bang. All right, well, I'm going to go back, see what the reciprocal system says. For some reason, the internet is a little bit slow today. Wow. Let's see. All right, let's try going in directly. It's never happened before with these videos. Reciprocal system.guru. That's the name of this website. Let's exit out. There we go. Come back to November 2015. Okay, here we are. As usual, the conventional theorists are clueless. The universe is actually vastly older than 13.7 billion years. It's at least 100 billion years according to the reciprocal system. We know that it takes roughly 50 billion years for a newly formed atom of matter to go all the way through all the evolution of stars, galaxies, galaxy clusters, etc. It takes about 50 billion years when the galaxies, the large spheroidal galaxies, start to explode, creating quasars, and the matter of the quasars eventually leaves our sector for the cosmic sector. So it's at least 50 billion. We know that the universe is stable, so it must take 50 billion years in the cosmic sector, so the total must be 100 billion years. in order for there to be equilibrium. So the universe is at least 100 billion years. Of course, because the universe is cyclic, it's hard to tell which cycle we're in. So anyway, the Big Bang is nonsense. I mean, come on. After all, it's not possible for all the matter and energy of the universe to be concentrated into a dot smaller than an atom. It's a garbage theory. It's nonsense. It takes many, many billions of years for galaxies to form. That there were giant galaxies so soon after the alleged Big Bang disproves that theory. So study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. For the simplest possible explanation, please get my work, The Unmysterious Universe. It's been in print since 1971. It's gotten great reviews. It has all the concepts and many diagrams in it. It's the easiest way to understand the theory. But if you want all the mathematics and all the details, then get my software ebook, Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. This work contains 711 pages in the PDF file and 711 slides in the PowerPoint file. Use the PDF to do searches, use the PowerPoint file to read or to do lectures with. This work contains thousands of equations, many diagrams, tables, everything you need. It'll take you months to go through it. Now, once you're finished with that, then I have two computational databases. The Reciprocal System Microcosmos database contains all the calculated properties of photons, subatoms, atoms, compounds, and alloys. The Reciprocal System Macrocosmos database contains all the properties and some calculations for the universe as a whole, galaxy clusters, galaxies, stars, planets, moons, minor bodies like asteroids and comets, nebulae and voids. Very comprehensive. These two modules cover all the major aspects of physical science. There's nothing like it in the world. Certainly quantum mechanics is nothing like this, or general relativity, nothing. Of course, nobody could cover all the minor topics, but once you have all the major topics, then anyone working in a subfield could use these to get an idea as to what some minor topic would be, according to the reciprocal system. So, again, please study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. All of my work is available at Amazon.com or transpowercorp.com. We provide free support to all customers, free email support. So any questions you have on the theory, we will do our best to answer them directly. Again, study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself, and thanks for your attention.